you're still struggling to perfect your chicken skewers, I've got you covered. You can use breast, leg or thigh meat for this recipe. I tend to stick to thighs, like these 1 kilogram of skinless and boneless thighs I grabbed from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. Thighs are a fattier cut of meat and tend to not dry out as easily as breast meat. Slicing the thighs into bite-sized pieces of around 2 to 3 centimetres big, you'll yield around 6 pieces from an average sized thigh. Once all your chicken is cut up, place it in a bowl. Char Siu is mostly associated with Cantonese pork. Let's change that today. Into the same bowl as the chicken, add 6 tablespoons of pre-made Char Siu sauce if you can find it. If not, I'll place a link to an older recipe so you can make it at home for yourself. Once you have fully coated the chicken, cover it up, preferably with cling wrap, and place it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Did you know that Char Siu means yummy in my language? Wooden products put near fire burn. It's that simple. If you follow me, you know my love of metal skewers. But we are trying to make these skewers feel like they have a purpose still. Into the water they go for an hour should do it. The timber will soak up the water and this will prevent them from burning when placed over hot charcoal. To grill chicken skewers properly, we need a medium direct heat. I'll set up my Weber GA by adding half a chimney starter of Heat Beads lump charcoal and lighting it up. I'll also add a 100ml riser. This just lifts the chicken off the heat and saves me having to turn the chicken so much while grilling. Once you get the grill back on, give it 5 minutes to warm up. Skewers need your help to turn over while grilling because they're lazy. When you make your own skewers, you can make them as big or as little as you like. I tend to keep them as a snack size. You can always eat more than one if you are hungry, so there's no need to pile all the chicken onto one of them. Once they're all made up, we can grill them. Chicken skewers is always going to be a 1 beer cook. Cheers. Did you know chickens don't drink beer? They prefer wine. Get your baste ready now before it's too late. Add around 1/3 cup of honey to a small pot and warm it up over a low heat for a few minutes. This will make it easier to brush on the skewers at the end of the cook. That is perfect. This is how you grill skewers. The grill is warm and we can give it a light spray with some oil. Now lay down the skewers and after each minute you will need to turn them. Make that every 30 seconds if you don't have a riser to keep your skewers off the heat. We want to slowly build up a nice char over 15 to 20 minutes while grilling them, as once they reach that 74 degrees internal temp, they will be classed as no-death chicken and we can safely eat them. And it also means we can start brushing them with our warmed up honey. This will just add a nice sweet finish to the skewers. You can push the internal temp of dark chicken meat to 85 degrees Celsius, as the high meat has plenty of fat in it and can handle being cooked to a higher internal temp and still stay very moist. Once they hit 85 degrees Celsius, serve them up and enjoy.